What is up YouTube? My name is Aditya and welcome back to my channel The Indian Algo। इस वीडियो में आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ लाइव एग्जीक्यूशंस जिसकी वजह से मैंने आज कमाया है 3,457 रुपीज का प्रॉफिट। मैं आज के दिन एक ड्रॉडाउन में था 3,000 रुपीज के, मैंने उसको कवर किया और उसके बाद मैंने इस प्रॉफिट पे आज के दिन यहाँ पे क्लोजिंग करी है। तो मेरी क्या ट्रेड थी आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो। मैंने अराउंड इस टाइम पे मैंने एग्जीक्यूशन किया, टारगेट किया था बाई साइड लिक्विडिटी। ये सारी चीजें लाइव एग्जीक्यूशन अच्छे से रिकॉर्डेड है। आप अगर उसको पूरा देखोगे आपको चीजें समझ में आएगी कि कब मैं पोजीशंस ऐड करता हूं, क्यों ऐड करता हूं यूजिंग आईसीटी कॉन्सेप्ट्स, जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। कब हमें पार्शियल लेना चाहिए, कब हमें पूरी ट्रेड बुक करनी चाहिए, ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हो और आपने मेरा फ्री टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन नहीं किया है, सो द लिंक इज डाउन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन। गो अहेड। यहाँ पे मैं मार्केट में होने से पहले जो भी मेरी ड्रॉन लिक्विडिटी होती है या रीजन होता है, गेम प्लान होता है, वो सब मैं आपके साथ यहाँ पे शेयर करता हूँ। जैसे कल मैंने शेयर किया था 11:30 बजे के बाद हम ट्रेड करेंगे, मार्केट में एक बाउंस आ सकता है सिटिंग विद बुलिश बायस, एंड आज तक वो बुलिश बायस चल रहा है। इवेंचुअली मार्केट ने वही चीज यहाँ पे करी। कल 11:30 बजे के बाद हमें मार्केट में एक बाउंस देखने को मिला, उसके पीछे इट्स अ रीजन, एंड वो सारे रीजन मैं अपने प्री एनालिसिस उन सारी वीडियोस में शेयर करता हूँ। आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है सो गो अहेड, सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल। कमेंट डाउन जो भी आपका व्यू है, क्या आपको पसंद आता है इन वीडियोस में, क्या मुझे सही करना है, जस्ट लेट मी नो एंड आई विल डू दैट फॉर यू ऑल। कोई भी टॉपिक, कोई भी एग्जीक्यूशन जो आप चाहते हो मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूँ, सब कुछ। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स जंप ऑन टू द वीडियो। So I would like to see the price go back into this, very quickly go back in and start supporting the idea to go higher. If it's not doing that in the next few minutes, I have to be just out of this trade, out of the day today. Tried my best, I was doing good. Markets are not in favor today. So I have to wait here. 19. I need to see a quick run up. It's not doing that. There's a very high chance that the markets are willing to drop down. And the only problem is that I don't want to see it drop down today because I'm sure about the bias that 23,900 is too good to look for. So I want to see it go back into this, and then from there onwards I can start anticipating a long trade. And honestly, if we reclaim this, I will aim for a move in. Okay, so there's a run up. We have this convincing enough. Okay. Then just hold on to this. Stop loss for me. I will add more to this trade as well. That's risky. Obviously, that's very risky. Not risky, but that could be an impulsive move. There's a spike was good. This is going to be the last trade of the day. if the price doesn't give me a follow up. Okay, that's good. But that is probably a mistake. That's not like this. Alright, so I'll have to collapse it. I need to stay, go back inside this fair value gap. Hmm. Okay, that's not what I was anticipating. I wanted to see it tap and quickly go back in. Correct? It's not good enough. So I'll have to collapse it. There's no point trying to. I wanted to see it stay in that fair value gap. I want to see it go back into that fair value gap. If it's not going back in, then I'll just be out of the move today. Needs to go back into that area. Something like that. Only then it's going to make sense to me. There's some sort of so we have that fair value gap. I still want to see it support this. If it can still support this area, that's where it's going to make sense. And I need to very quickly expect the prices to start going up. If we can reclaim this fair value gap and allow the prices to go up, honestly, I will allow it to run for 126 after taking partials. I'll be cool with it. Adding a position is again very risky, but I don't mind doing it if the price really starts going in favor. So there is some move which I find very attractive at this point. Okay, it is going up. So I could take a decision here right now. As you can see, we have another volume imbalance. So I'm just taking note of that. I have to come to a conclusion if I should be adding a trade or not. Currently, it seems perfect to me to really like add a position. So I have to give myself a tell myself that okay, this is where it's good. This is not me. The price needs to start going away from this important. If it's not doing that, I'm not interested. I want to see it go back up and start going away from this area. If it's doing that, I'll be interested. because my stop loss is currently here. And if I add it right now, it's going to be very bad. It can be very bad. I feel, yeah, you see. I need to see it go back up from here onwards. It needs to start trying and go beyond. It needs to tell me that it is supporting this fair value gap. That's the point I will start convincing myself that we can go beyond a certain level. Oh no, it's not there. So it doesn't look like it wants to really go in our favor. So I have to be mindful and just be out of it. Alright, so I need to see a quick push up from here. It's not doing that. Just think of getting out of this position. Just be ready. Don't need to see anything else here. All I need to see is this trying to go up. Okay. This is my stop loss now. Almost 19 points. If you can see a quick push up and we leave this fair value gap running towards higher prices, that's the perfect thing I would want to add right there, honestly. I need to see it stay out of that area. Yes, just push up and go out, start moving above this fair value gap. Something like that. Over this where the price is falling. Alright, so this is where I will be adding a position now. Alright, let's go for it. Alright, so if this fails now, we'll have to collapse the trade, collapse the deal. We need to see this very clearly go higher from here onwards. My stop loss is at 754. Positions are added into this trade. It's very risky right now. This is my stop loss. A little too risky though. Okay. If the order flow is correct and if the bias is correct, I feel we'll see something good. Even if we see the price spike up above that high, this should really take place because we should really go for this honestly. So, so this FVG low is my stop loss right now. I don't want to see the price go down below that low or go even near to that low. I need to see this take out this high and this high and run for the entire FVG area because only that is logical right now. Only that is logical to me. Let's see. It's very tough for the price to leave this. But if we go up there, 850 is what I'm anticipating. I could be wrong in by a big margin here, but this is what we are left with. We'll have to expect it to go at least here. From here, this is 60 points. I need to see the price run for those 60 points at least. It's not giving me that. Not giving me that move. Should be there right now. Should be there in this particular move itself. Trying to leave this square one gap. We reclaimed it. Okay. Spike is still not there. It should have been there till now. We have like the last few seconds for this candle to close and then it will create a fair value gap. I do not wish to see that create a fair value gap. Okay, there was a spike. Alright. Price is going up, but I don't see an increase in the number there. Okay, what's wrong? Yeah, change the numbers. Come in green. And it should be better than this actually. So once again, back into this fair value gap. Still not clear that are we going up right away right now, or I need to see this act as an inversion and this should really just support the fair value gap. If we can see that, good to go. Stop us straight to the fair value gap 50%, and we are halfway there. I just need one good spike. We need that one good spike all the way towards that area. And it's very logical for us to see that. That's the thing, it is logical, but it's not happening here. That area is very logical for us to see. But now if the price turns around on us, it's fine. We have to collapse the trade there. It should be there. This is not good. Now the problem is we have created a fair value gap. Now if the price drops down and it just wants to like tap into that fair value gap, then it wants to go up. It's not something that I want to see. I'm not waiting for any miracle here. It's just that we are waiting to see the price spike, and it should happen. It should happen. It should go all the way, take out this buy side, and just go for that area right there. Anyway, if it fails, no more hopes, no more hopes, no more anything, and we just collapse the trade. We should have already spiked. Now it's tough. Now it's very tough for the price to go in my favor. $2,200, $1,300. Okay. Not something I wanted to see. I wanted to see this quickly picking up, but it's not there yet. So I have to just. This is the last support for the prices. It's not doing that. Then we have to just cut off the trade. Till now, I haven't gotten what I really wanted for this month. Like a very good trade with the maximum leverage, which is 150 quantities for this account. And I wanted to see something with that sort of profit where it gives me more than 5,000. That could be to like 7, 8,000 or 9,000. I'm still waiting for that day. It has not come yet. And if this doesn't go up, this could be that day, but it has to be really going up right now. Only then I can anticipate something like that. 300, 400 is what I can see. Okay. 815, once again, so it's not really doing that for now. I need to see this VI really support and not resist. It should really support the idea and not resist it. Support it, one. If it can support it, we have equal highs to spike and go higher. If the price can do that, we have a clean spot up at least 50-60 points higher. At least 50-60 points higher can be seen. We need to see a spike at least 50 points. At least 50 points. But it's not coming up, so I will actually think of exiting that because this is enough. It has spent a lot of time here. Usually see it's not going up like this. It's better to just get out of it. I wanted to see the support there. It's not happening. Wanted to see support there. It's not happening. Hmm. The price really wanted to go up. It would have really wanted to just shot up. It would have really just shot up. That's the thing. Um, 23,800. The price is not allowing it to break above it, and that's where it's causing trouble to us. This should have been shot up right now, and I will think of really just collapsing the trade because they spent a lot of time here. We have been waiting for a run higher, but we don't really see anything yet. Should really just I like the way it's supporting the prices from not letting it fall down. But when I see a spike, you need to see a spike now. Spike that should continue the run up all the way. Seems to be moving. This needs to be faster now, because it makes no sense if it's not faster now. It needs to be faster, quicker, going all the way up, taking out this high, give me another 50 point spike. It needs to at least do that. No point. Honestly, no point in seeing this multiple times. It's just messing around. Okay, so back down. No push. So I think so I should collapse the trade here. Order flow is bullish. Order flow looks fine. Everything looks fine, but I don't see that spike. And if that spike is not coming in, then I should be out of this trade now. Not good. I don't like the way it's taking so much resistance, and if I try to do a lot more than anything else, it's going to be bad for me. Because this is holding a lot, and it doesn't usually hold on as much. The numbers can be bad or can be very good, so I have to take a decision at this point. I need to really see this leave this volume imbalance high. Only then it's going to be तब उसके बाद तो मैं कोई decision नहीं लेकिन it's just unable to, it's just around there and it's not even leaving or not even giving me a clue that okay, hold on या रुको या कुछ करो. And until I get that information, I don't know how do I take a position there. Okay, this time the spike should. This time if there is a spike, it should lead to higher prices very quickly. And if it's not there, then समझ जाओ it's dropping down and it's trying to take out, trying to mess around a bit. I wanted this to be a little quicker. This time, this spike should really try to, uh, on the 1 minute time frame, it should really just try to close above all of these highs and just really spike up hard. I need to see that it's actually not happening. It's not the best thing to do. It's like an institutional order flow entry drill. So right there, it's like IOFED. I like that. Usually the prices spikes a lot after that minute. I don't see it yet. From here onwards, it should be bigger. Now, if it doesn't go up, then if it starts falling down, this stop loss. I take that. I leave that to the markets. I need a very quick run higher towards that area. Okay, there is some spike. I don't see a follow up in that spike yet. See, it just turned around. Tapped into this. This needs to really act as support. Only then I can be well versed of trying to stay into this. तो काटो और निकलो भाई कुछ नहीं कर सकते. There is some spike. So things are trying to go in favor. 1200, 1400 is what we can see. And I really need to see a spike that should lead towards that high. Yeah, we haven't taken off the day high also. But so the spike was quick, but it dropped down, so I don't see any changes in my PNL yet. I don't want to see this break, so that's my stop loss right there. I don't want to see this break. If the price starts breaking below that, that's where I'll collapse the trade. I will give myself a chance to really try and hold on to this area. That's what I would like to see. 1600. 1700 worth of profits. I will allow myself a chance to try and see the price spike up. So we're very close. There's one more spike that should be there. It's like how many points? 25 points. In our TV. Okay, that's not good. Sure. I can book it actually. Let's just book it there. One push up and I'll book. But it makes no sense, honestly. It makes no sense trying to fight with the markets today. I wanted to see the spikes to be better, but as the candlesticks are closing, this is going to give me a hard time. Okay. Alright, there is some more spike. Alright, so it's time to, it doesn't shoot up. Okay, there should be one more spike. There should be one more spike. I feel that spike is coming in. Okay, there should be another spike trying to break out of that area. That should be taking out this and can lead to this area very easily. Okay. Oh, okay. Alright, so I'll have to make a decision right now. I have to take a decision right now. It's fine, let's just collapse this.